Ever found yourself staring at a chaotic to-do list, wondering if there's a magic wand to turn it all into beautiful, organized productivity? I mean, seriously, are we still drowning in spreadsheets and sticky notes in this digital age? You know, the kind where you're juggling projects, deadlines, and a million tiny tasks, and it feels like you're trying to herd cats during a hurricane? Yeah, me too. And I bet a lot of you watching this can relate. Think about it, you're managing a team, or maybe you're a freelancer, or even just trying to get your personal life in order. You need a tool, something that's not just a glorified checklist, but a real, powerful project management system. Something that can visualize workflows, track progress, and keep everyone on the same page. But then you're faced with a sea of options. Asana, Microsoft Planner, Trello, Monday.com, the list goes on. And today we're going to tackle a very specific question. One that I've seen pop up in forums, comments, and even whispered in office hallways. Is Asana better than Microsoft Planner? Now, before we dive headfirst into a feature showdown, let's take a step back and understand why this question even matters. We're not just comparing software, we're talking about how we organize our work, how we collaborate, and ultimately, how we achieve our goals. The right tool can be a game changer, while the wrong one can be a productivity black hole. So, let's set the stage. Microsoft Planner, if you're not familiar, is part of the Microsoft 365 suite. It's designed to be a simple visual task management tool, primarily focused on team collaboration within the Microsoft ecosystem. Think of it as a digital whiteboard where you can create tasks, assign them to team members, set deadlines, and track progress using Kanban-style boards. Asana, on the other hand, is a more robust project management platform. It's designed to handle complex projects, workflows, and team collaboration across various departments and industries. It offers a wide range of features, including task management, project timelines, reporting, and integrations with other tools. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What are the key differences, and where does each tool shine? First, let's talk about ease of use. Microsoft Planner is known for its simplicity. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to learn, especially if you're already familiar with the Microsoft 365 environment. The interface is clean, the drag-and-drop functionality is straightforward, and setting up a new plan is a breeze. Asana, while still user-friendly, has a steeper learning curve due to its more extensive feature set. You might need to spend some time exploring its various functionalities and customization options. Next, feature depth. This is where Asana really starts to pull ahead. Asana offers a much broader range of features, including project timelines, Gantt charts, portfolio management, advanced reporting, custom fields, and a vast library of integrations. Planner, while adequate for basic task management, lacks many of these advanced features. For example, if you need to visualize project dependencies and timelines, Asana's Gantt charts are invaluable. If you need to track custom data points, Asana's custom fields are a lifesaver. Planner, in its simplicity, doesn't offer such complex options. Collaboration is another crucial aspect. Both tools facilitate team collaboration, but they do it in different ways. Planner's integration with Microsoft Teams makes it seamless for teams already using the Microsoft ecosystem. You can easily share tasks, files, and comments within Teams. Asana, however, offers more flexible collaboration options, including guest access, project sharing with external stakeholders, and more granular permission settings. Asana's comment sections can be more robust for detailed discussions, and the ability to tag team members in various ways offers a lot of control. Now, let's talk about integrations. Planner's strength lies in its tight integration with the Microsoft 365 suite. If you're heavily invested in Microsoft products, Planner can seamlessly integrate with Outlook, SharePoint, and other Microsoft apps. Asana, on the other hand, boasts a vast library of integrations with third-party tools, including Google Drive, Slack, Salesforce, and many more. This makes Asana more versatile for teams that use a variety of different software. Pricing is another important factor to consider. Microsoft Planner is included in most Microsoft 365 subscriptions, making it a cost-effective option for teams already using the Microsoft ecosystem. Asana offers a free plan for basic task management, but its more advanced features require a paid subscription. The pricing can vary depending on the number of users and the features you need. So, if you're on a tight budget, Planner might be the more appealing option. Reporting and analytics. Asana offers more comprehensive reporting and analytics features. You can generate custom reports, track project progress, and identify bottlenecks. Planner's reporting capabilities are more limited, focusing primarily on basic task progress and completion rates. If you need in-depth insights into your project's performance, Asana is the clear winner. Workflow automation. Asana offers powerful workflow automation features, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks and streamline your processes. You can set up rules to automatically assign tasks, change statuses, and send notifications. Planner, while offering some basic automation through Power Automate, doesn't have the same level of built-in automation capabilities. So, who wins this battle? Well, it depends on your specific needs and priorities. If you're looking for a simple, easy-to-use task management tool that integrates seamlessly with the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, Planner is a solid choice. It's perfect for teams that need basic task management and collaboration within the Microsoft environment. However, if you need a more robust project management platform with advanced features, such as Gantt charts, portfolio management, custom fields, and extensive integrations, Asana is the better option. It's ideal for teams that manage complex projects and need powerful reporting and automation capabilities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.